Hey guys, Mr. Wahidu here back with another video. I'm back in my car. It's fucking freezing, guys. Alright, so I've got this here, which is a 3M, what do you call it? Like a cubby. Not sure what it's called. A net thing. Basically, you put it onto whatever you like with the 3M tape. I'm going to stick it here so I can carry my phone into it. My phone is quite big, so it won't fit all the way in it. This is how much it'll fit in it, which is tiny bit. Barely anything. So what I'm going to do is stick it to about here. So then when I have my phone on charge like I have now, I can leave it there on the side. Or when I have it on Android Auto and I'm using the maps or something, or Spotify, I'll just leave it there so it's out the way. Because that I could leave it there, but it could be my fault, who knows. So I don't know. And if you've not checked out my last video of the USB installs, go watch out. So yeah, you'll enjoy that. Took a very long time, but it was worth it. Well worth it. Because now I got the 12-volt socket free. Bam. Now I can put anything I want in there. I could have an additional two USBs in there. Or what I'm going to do is use my neon lights there. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright guys, so I'm going to set this up now. So what you're going to do is take off your 3M tape. This was like £3. Hopefully the tape sticks, because my phone is quite heavy. So we'll test it out. So I'm going to take off the 3M tape and then I'm going to stick it to this first level here. I was thinking of sticking it there, but then the indentation, there's like a bent indentation there, if you can see it. That will make my phone go like slanted. I don't want that. So I'm just going to stick it there, see how it goes. And it looks, when it is on there, it doesn't look like it's after, it doesn't look that bad like it's aftermarket or anything. So that's a good thing about it, because it looks like a normal thing. So I'm just going to leave that there. So I'm going to put that in now. I've still not finished the wiring on that, so it's going to take a while. I'm going to do it. Got some fuse taps there from my extra fuse taps. This is for sneak preview for my what do you call it, reverse camera. This is a spare one that I had left, two spare ones. So that's what you're going to need. So if you're watching, make sure you buy one straight ahead. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take this off now and then try to stick it on. Alright guys, it was quite difficult to do, but I managed to get the stickers off. So now I just have to align it as best as I can and stick it on. So I'm going to need 2 hands for this, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stick it on and then I'll test it out with my S7, I guess. Then I'll have to test it with this phone that I'm recording with now, Note 8, which is twice the size almost. Let's hope it doesn't fall out, I guess, or holds with the weight. My car's very dirty, I need to sort it out, but I've got a lot of work to do. So once all the work's done, I'll be ready to drive and shit, and it'll be nice. So yeah, guys, it's on there as you can see. Just turn my torch off. Oh yeah, you just hold it. Okay, so it's on there, but it doesn't sound like it's gonna hold up. So very bad. If you listen to it, can you hear that? I'm gonna put my S7 in there, see how it looks. So that's like a storage bit, I guess. Made a new storage cubby. So I've got my S7 edge. That's how I just want it, just like that. And then my wire is gonna go down here, and then it's just be there. So yeah, let me try to show you. That uses the micro USB, so I can't really show you. But yeah, that's basically how I'm gonna do it. Hopefully that holds up. Let's check. You can see the 3M tape a bit, because it's quite thick on there. I guess that's not bad. I can't see unless I'm looking directly like that, but from that I can't really tell. This full corner looks like it's fully coming off though. Like look, can you see the difference? So I might get some extra 3M tape. I have some there, tiny bit, cut it off and then show you on myself. Let's see, will it pop off? There you go. I don't know how long that's gonna hold, or if even if it'll hold my Note 8. But yeah, it's worth it for £3, and all you have to do is put some more sticky tape on yourself, 3M tape, and yeah, it'll be very beneficial for when you're driving, because it's out your way, completely out your way. Because my leg's gonna be here, and the car's gonna be there, everything's there. So if I'm under auto, I don't have to put my phone anywhere. Like normal people will use the mounts. I got nothing in the way, it's just there. So yeah. Anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Check out more of the car playlist, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.